In this video, we will be talking about bankruptcy. Bankruptcy is a legal proceeding where you can settle your debts through the court system. An individual known as a trustee will evaluate your situation by looking at what you own and what you owe. If the court determines that you will be unable to pay off your debts, it will cancel some or all of your debt. However, the court may also require you to sell anything you own of value to some of your creditors or set up some type of payment plan. The first bankruptcy laws were passed in the 1800s. Congress passed these laws in response to the economic issues America was facing at that time. In 1800, Congress passed the first bankruptcy laws in response to land speculation, but repealed the law in 1803. A few decades later, a financial crisis known as the Panic of 1837 would cause new bankruptcy laws to be passed in 1841. This bankruptcy law would also be repealed in 1843. In 1867, Congress passed a third set of bankruptcy laws in response to the aftermath of the American Civil War. In 1878, these laws will be repealed. Modern bankruptcy laws begin with the Act of 1898. These laws were to emphasize rehabilitating debtors in distress with a limited emphasis on punishing the debtor. During the Great Depression, Congress passed the Acts of 1933 and 1934. The primary goal of these acts was to offer debtors a fresh start from financial burdens. There have been other bankruptcy laws passed by Congress, such as the Chandler Act of 1938. This includes substantial provisions for reorganization of businesses. The Bankruptcy Reform Act of 1978 made it easier for both businesses and individuals to file for bankruptcy. This act continues to serve as a uniform federal law that governs all bankruptcy cases today. Over the decades, there have been other acts passed along the Supreme Court rulings regarding bankruptcy. This has led to the uniform federal law that governs all bankruptcy cases, which is known as the Bankruptcy Code. The Bankruptcy Code is divided into categories known as chapters. There are 6 chapters to file depending on the situation. Chapters 7 and 13 are designed for individuals seeking debt relief. The chapter they file under depends on their financial situation. Chapter 9 is for local governments such as cities, towns, taxing districts, public utilities, and school districts. This allows for these governments to reorganize. Chapter 11 is for businesses. This is designed to help them reorganize their finances. Family farmers and fishermen can file under Chapter 12, and Chapter 15 is designed for parties from other countries.